Welcome to AutoCAD Made Easy Volume 2, Practical 9, Practical 8. And today we shall be drawing a building block. This block we shall be drawing in isometric mode. This, if you are new to this is a series of practical lessons to aid students studying AutoCAD to draw better. So let's start and enjoy. This is a continuation of the previous ones we've been doing. So practical 8, we are drawing a building block in an isometric view in AutoCAD. If you see my screen very carefully, you will notice I've already prepared the borderline title block and everything, which is fine. You also notice that my grid is inclined at 30 degrees already. If you forgot how to do that, we can do that in isometric drafting. If your isometric drafting is off, your grid will be cube-like, but once it's on, your drawings will be jammed to 30 degrees. So since what I'm drawing is a block which contains just vertical and horizontal lines aligned with the axis, I'll put my drawing in auto mode so that all my lines are aligned with the axis. So now, first thing, I'll pick my line tool and I'll be drawing my block from my right, isometric face right. As you can see, I'm already in isometric face right. So I want to start here. Let me go this way first. The length of the block is 450. I'll be using a scale of 10, so 45. Up is 22. 45. Now, line again. I want to draw the left face this time around. So I switch. Twenty-two. Going up. 22. So the top face now. Line again. F5. 45. 22. Fine. Now, what is left for me is to do the O's on it. From my drawing here, it shows that the hole is offset 3 mm from this side, and also 3 from this side, and in the middle it also has 3. So I'm going to be offsetting this and that. Offset 3. Fine. Then draw another line at the center. Now I offset the line too. Fine. Then to the other side. Now, it may seem as if I'm drawing something that doesn't really make sense, but I know what I'm drawing, and I know the tools I want to use is, after getting the shape of the box, I just trim it off. I trim off the excess, which I'm still on track. Now, to draw a very good drawing, I'm going to take a zoom at it so that I can have good details, trimming and doing what I need. Okay, fine. I don't need this line. Then I'll take my trim tool, trim. 1, 2, 3. Now the little lines, I'm going to delete them. And since I've drawn my drawing using line tool, I'm going to select all and join. Delete. So since I've drawn with line tool, I'm going to use join command. Join. Fine. Still better now. You see now? Fine. Now you will notice my drawing is on the construction line layout, which should not be. I want it on my outline layer, so I'll simply select my drawing and plot it to the outline layer. Now if I take a zoom at it, the drawing is a little small, I would like it to occupy more space, so I will scale it up. To do that, I'll be using scale tool.